Bro, the internet got a bunch of nobodies thinking they're somebody, dog. Bro, the fuck is wrong with... What time is it? Oh. It's millionaire time.
First of all, what we're not going to do is we're not going to have no Vybz Kartel slander. I'm not having it. I'm not having it. After Friday's show, I'm not having it. Let me tell you why. Because there's bare people on the internet. I'm seeing girls like, oh my God, I paid £160. I didn't even see an outfit change. I didn't even see backup dancers. What you take this thing for? Who did you think that you came to see? Did you think it was Chris Brown? Because this was not a breezy concert. You never came to see Trey's songs. The girl was talking about there was no backup dancers. Backup dancers, don't you know, Vybz? We are the backup dancers and singers. We are the only ones he needs, okay? We are who he needs. He needs no other. You've lost it. What? Backup dancers. Ask him if he wants backup dancers. He would have said, me no want nothing named back. Why? That's what he would have said. Allow me. The man don't need no backup dancer and no outfit change. We take this thing for you. Lot of me like you didn't know whose ticket it is that you purchased. Let's talk about it. You lot of me like you don't know whose ticket it is that you purchased. You knew who you were going to see. You knew who you was going to see. Furthermore, he came and he done his thing. Vybz, big up yourself. That's all I'm saying. World boss, guys, I'm going to say outside.
Hey, UK, London, me have to say this. You know what I love last night about the show? No one was stabbed, no shooting, no nothing. People come out and come all a good vibes in the name of music and in the name of God. And I love that for us. Big up London. Or this under my nose. Alright.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute up on the beat and as you can see on the screen. Yeah, Dancehall King Vybz Kartel is responding to all the critics out here, saying that, you know, he's not worth the 1.5 million US dollar and definitely not worth them 160 euros. People putting in the comment section where you think about that. Cause I'm not gonna lie to you. From me see the video them a drop and all them a drop, me know say Alkaline and them team them a pay them Batty washer they for make Cartel thing look little, you know. Me not gonna tell no lie. You see my some people, cause when we look on the people them talking, it's one bag of Batty washer. Them don't look like no Gaza Dolly and no Gaza man. You see my say. So me know say Alkaline and them team them a pay Vybz Kartel to look bad, so he can look good. So you know, say, him not shell down Barclays Center with there, yeah. Yeah, him never shell it down because the fans them never full up the arena. You know what I mean? Versus the previous night when it was just solo with Cartel and they did full up. But let's hear what the people them must say, because you know one bag of people in the chat. So let's listen to our next one and proceed.
Okay, so quick Vybz Kartel review. We gave it a 3 out of 10. Like, our marks hovered around like the 3, the 2, the 4 mark. It was just quite underwhelming. Like, I don't feel like it was great. It definitely wasn't as good as what the concert was in Jamaica in Freedom Street, because my friends all loved it and said it was great. But yeah, this is very, very mid, you know. It was quite underwhelming. I would say that what caught me off guard was the amount of people that were so drunk and on drugs that couldn't hold their shit. And it was just like, how can you be falling around, like your friends having to hold you up and carry you into the arena or the stadium before it's even begun? Like, it's very, very unattractive. It's just not cute at all. And then the concert itself, Vybz, you know, he tried, he did his thing, but the sound wasn't great. He was late, which was annoying. Yeah, it just wasn't giving what it needed to give. Aishana, she stayed on too long. Where was Shorty? Where was Vanessa Bling? You know, I've seen Spice before, but you know, she should have come back. She was there for Wireless, put on a good little show. We should have had her again. I feel like, considering this was his first big concert in the UK, I feel like he should have made more effort. Yeah, very, very underwhelmed. I mean, maybe I'm just too old, but I'm not going to keep going to these concerts. Like, I've got Keisha Cole this month with Little Kim. That should be okay, hopefully very good, fingers crossed. Toni Braxton towards the end of the year, I have to see her. And then I think I'm done. Like, Wireless was dead. Obviously Carnival is always dead. And yeah, Vybz just ruined it. Originals didn't happen, was on my way, didn't get there. Pioneer Plays, that was the first festival of the summer. Yeah, it wasn't giving, so I think I'm done. I'm not going anywhere anymore, so you won't see me out after this year. I'll be in my house or in my car or even to tunes, that because yeah, no, it's just no, not for me.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. Now, if you want more bagga and mix up and more entertainment dancehall new swing pan that in front of you, King Mix Up. It's a master where I dropped some things yesterday and earlier today as well. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest stuff. Bless.